This is how we set the mood for anything in life, a Bath & Body Works candle. Woo! This one is Pink Prosecco. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of a product, and it's been a second since I reviewed a product because mostly I've been trying out like wacky weird videos or crazy unboxings where I open someone's garage storage unit. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my last video. Anywho, today's video, I'm going to be testing out a pore cleaner outer. Now, who doesn't love a good old pore cleaner outer video? So I bought this Trophy Skin. This is supposed to be a ultrasonic skin spatula. I paid like $100 and some odd bucks for it, so it wasn't affordable. It is supposed to basically scrape the nastiness up out your face. Well, the clogged pores, for lack of better words. I'm gonna be a snob right now. And I'm gonna be like, my pores aren't that big. I do have pores, I do have clogged pores. I will probably get results out of this, but I won't get like major results. I feel like I'm gonna have to bring in Ty because he has larger pores than me, and for us to see and like get some really juicy, good stuff out of, I'm gonna bring him in. I will also use it on myself after I get done using it on him in this video, so you can kind of see from both, but I just want like awesome results in this video, not some like weak little results. So that's my point in bringing him in. I do have pores though that are filled with stuff. My skin is not perfect. Actually, I just got done picking at my skin right before I filmed this video. I love doing that before I film videos. Why? I don't know. Self-sabotage. Anyways, we'll jump in filming this video. First, we're gonna sing the subscribe song, and then we're gonna jump on in.
Be sure and subscribe to our channel before you leave. Subscribe. Love you, Laura.
All right, let's jump into this video. First things first, it came in this box. It is by Trophy Skin, and I have it charging behind me. Let me grab it. It looks like this, so it's like the size of my head. I have a pea head, so that's not saying much, but it's a medium-sized tool, and it charges with a plug in the wall. It is not battery powered. It's supposed to like dampen your skin. So I have a beauty blender that is very wet to dampen your skin, and you're supposed to like turn it on and run it up your skin, pressing lightly, and it's supposed to extract the pores. So we're gonna zoom in really close while we do this to Ty's skin so you guys can see what comes out. It came in this box, which looked pretty, but then the box was like all busted and crusted. Can you guys see that? Oops. For like $100 and something bucks, I was like, girl, why is the box busted? But that could have been the postal system. I don't want to blame the brand. I know the postal system does my brand dirty sometimes, and I'm like, guys, can you chill? It's makeup, okay? It also comes with an instruction guide and like a play-by-play, and the instructions are pretty simple. There's scrubber mode, exfoliate and extract, and then there is infusion mode, which is pamper and hydrate and infuse. Don't know exactly what that means, but we'll do it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring Ty in. Enough blabbering about this thing. We're gonna just first impressions it. Bring it on in. Ooh, you guys I shaved my mustache. Look at this lash glue. Someone tell me how lash glue can stay on your eyeball for a week, but can't hold your lash on for 5 minutes. Have a few breakouts right there.
Nobody's here for your face. Get out of here. Get out of here. They want to see mine.
Ah, okay. I wanted to show them.
Blackhead Becky is in the house. Woo! Blackhead Becky!
In the house. You can see there's some pores. Let's turn sideways.
Which sideways?
Right here. You can see there's some blackheads happening.
Wait, what's this?
What? I told you you have an H spot. I told you that the other night.
That's an H spot.
What's a lentigo? Step one, not that you can really see, just to make sure the face is moist throughout the treatment. So I have a super damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna really dampen his skin really well, so.
It's so cold. You couldn't have warmed this up for me?
It says to hit the top button. Okay.
Oh my God.
Do you hear that ticking? Wow, that's kind of creepy.
What is this part?
I don't know, it's the extraction.
It's like a cheese grater?
That's man hair.
You're falling out of focus.
Can you guys see that? Okay, look this way. Hold the skin.
This is weird.
It is weird.
Ow, I feel like this thing is shocking me.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you hear that? It's vibrating. You can see that? Nastiness coming out. I want to wipe it. Ew.
Ow!
We got pores. Look at that, guys. So crazy. Oh, look at that.
That's a lot.
Oh my gosh, so much is coming out.
Ow! It's definitely steaming. I can see it's... Okay. It is.
Guys, look at this. I just wish they could see this. Oh wow, look at that. That just wiped off. Does that hurt?
No, that's fine.
That?
It honestly feels like you're rubbing a butter knife across my nose.
It's probably similar. Oh, I thought you were gonna break.
It's quite painful.
Oh, wow. You see that? Whoa.
Look at how red my nose is now.
Right there. Don't move.
Oh, back up to the nose, huh? Like, when you put that up against my, like, cheekbone, I can feel my bones chattering.
Really?
Yes.
I'm just running it.
Like I'm shaving here.
I might have to wet your face some more.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm trying to get that one right there.
Ooh. No. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me get tweezers and pull it out. No way. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I just pulled this pore out. Whoa. Dampen the skin. So I'm just using the beauty blender.
Zamping it.
Turning it back on. The tool's actually getting kind of hot. Did that hurt?
No, that wasn't bad. You can actually push harder.
No.
Does it say how hard you're supposed to push?
Wow, it's making your face red. I'm just...
Do you not see that steam? Am I the only one that sees
It's
that?
like caking up the water that I placed on your face, so it's like interesting. So forehead. The forehead did not have like a ton of stuff on it.
I really feel like you just rubbed a knife across my whole entire face. Look at my forehead feels so dry right now.
Does it?
Yes.
So you're supposed to moisturize after. Let's have a look. Maybe one more time over here.
Whatever. Are we in focus?
Yeah, we're in focus. There. Oops, sorry. Ooh la la. Get it, Laura, get it. Dr. Pimple Popper's probably shaking her head right now. Who needs vision when you have clean pores? Alright, that's that cheek. You can see little spectacles that it pulled out. This is very interesting, I gotta say. Alright, I feel like we did the face. He says his face feels pretty tight and dry.
Very.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But look, guys, I just want to show them, like, guys, there's still, like, yeah, it cleaned out, but there's still, like, tons of dirt in the pores.
I feel like it just cleaned out surface
like
level.
the surface, like, I don't feel like it really cleaned out the pores. I don't know.
Look at how red I am.
Yeah, you're really red. Apply an argan serum. Girl, I ain't got none. It didn't come with any. Oh, or your favorite serum. So you can apply your own. Push the button again to activate the infusion mode. Gently flip it over, place it, and let the ultrasonic waves pat the serum deep into your skin. Step 4, move in circular motion until the serum has been infused. The tool makes a really interesting sound.
Hold it up to this.
Creepy, huh? It's like a tick. And that's the infused mode. So I have this Hydrating Gel Cream from Fresh. So I'm just gonna rub it on. And now we're gonna use this.
You use this to rub it on?
It's supposed to penetrate it deep into your skin. I don't know if that's hoopla, a gimmick. Is it a gimmick, guys? Does it feel like anything?
I feel it like pulsing on my face.
Really?
Yeah, and whenever you actually put it on my skin, I can hear the sound in my brain. It's so loud.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting.
Feels like something's tapping me.
Weird. I wonder if like this whole thing is just stupid or is it like actually doing something? This part we really won't know, but the other pore part, I definitely think it just cleaned out the surface pores. It didn't like get deep or anything like that. It was not affordable, so it was kind of high price, so I don't really know if I would consider it worth it for the fact that like I can just take my hand and pores are still coming out, like dirt is still coming out of the pores, so I just don't know if that's worth it.
Feels like you just rubbed grease all over my face.
That's kind of what serums feel like. Well, do you feel good?
I feel better.
You want some more?
My face feels so soft now.
Ooh, his face is like super silky smooth.
That's probably from the serum though.
I want to show you guys the toilet paper that I wiped it on, but you can definitely see it did clean out some stuff, but I mean, nothing dramatic. Alright?
Just the top layer of my skin.
Just like the top layer. There's some dirt and stuff in there. So I don't know, Ty. I just don't know about this. The pores look kind of the same. Let me do myself now. Thank you for being a part of our show.
I do what I can.
One, damp the skin. I'm just gonna damp this cheek really well and just do this cheek. The noise is like piercing to the ear, like it hurts the ear.
Especially when you get it on a bone.
Oh man. There we go. Ow!
See the mess?
Oh yeah, it like hurts my brain. There you have it, some dirt. Probably some moisturizer too though, because I always moisturize, of course, like have moisturizer on. Ow. Ow, it feels like it's gonna shave the skin off my nose. Alright, here I go, unibrow, forehead. Ow, that hurts. Tyler, there's like a piece of like hair it picked up.
It's shaved off.
It shaved off. Ow! I have a zit on my cheek. Oh, it hurts so bad. It said don't go over like zits, acne, broken skin. Don't do that. Alright, my chin does get clogged pores. Ew. The light reflects from my camera, which makes it kind of hard for you guys to see. I think some of the milky color is a lot of moisturizer that I put on. And it could be dirt too. Ty's right. I think the water alone, like it's extracting out of your skin. I'll show you my toilet paper. You guys can see there's that little hair. It looks like it pulled off a scab or something. But here is mine.
Not quite as impressive as mine.
Not as, I'm not as interesting. That's when we did Ty first. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the exact same serum. Put it right here, put it right here, put it on the chin. Oh my God, it's like so loud. Ty, you're right. It's like hurting my ears. It sounds like someone is holding the highest pitch beep of life up into your ear. Right in my ear, Joe.
And I can literally, I can't hear it. All I hear is the vibrating.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like a dog thing. You know how dogs can hear high noises?
On like the bone of your... Do you hear that?
It hit my earring. Alright guys, here is my skin afterwards. To be honest, it feels really smooth, but I did use this serum here, so I'm kind of like, was it the serum that made it really smooth? Yes, I think the tool does clean out pores, but I also think that like it cleans out the surface and doesn't really get like deep down in there with pores, so I don't really know if it's worth your money. Is this something I would use regularly? I'm going to be very transparent with you. Absolutely not. It's kind of gimmicky, and I just prefer retinols. If you don't know what that is, it's a derivative of vitamin A, and it can permanently shrink your pores. It's a topical serum. A lot of people don't use retinols because when they take a long time to work of consistent application and they dry out your skin, which your skin will adapt to a retinol, but it just takes time. It takes some pilly skin, takes some dry skin happening, but retinols are like miracle workers. So I believe in retinols. I've used them for a long time. They take a lot of work and consistency, and they're very annoying because they dry out your skin. So it's like a double-edged sword there. But I prefer that over this. I don't think I like it. I'm just not gonna recommend it to you guys. But if you guys are like, look, I just want some surface cleansing out, on the regular, you would really like this, I think. And it was interesting how it put on the moisturizer, and I didn't mind that part. So I feel like you could like this. It just depends on the person. It depends on what you're looking for and what you want out of your skincare and cleaning out your pores. I kind of feel like the pore sucker that we did a while back on my channel was more effective than this and like sucked out way more, which I got that off eBay for super cheap, which was way cheaper than this. So that is more of an aggressive action to take on pores. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, that is my review of the Ultrasonic Skin Spatula from Skin Trophy. Hashtag not sponsored. And thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe today. Subscribe for me using my husband's skin as a guinea pig for this new product.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, honey. And thank you guys for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. And thank you for looking at my dry, crusty, chapped lips this whole video. I moisturized them. Probably should have done that in the beginning, but I didn't. So.